Breaking automotive safety news. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS, is shaking up the automotive industry with stricter safety standards for 2024. I'm your name, and welcome to Automoto Network. Let's dive into the details. The IIHS has announced significant changes to its Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Pick Plus awards, challenging automakers to enhance safety features for backseat passengers and improve pedestrian crash avoidance systems. Last year, the IIHS replaced the side crash test with a more rigorous version, and this year, they've upped the ante. A good rating is now required for either Top Safety Pick or Top Safety Pick Plus. The pedestrian front crash prevention evaluation has been revised, emphasizing both daytime and nighttime scenarios. An exciting development is the updated moderate front overlap test, focusing on back seat safety. Vehicles must now have an acceptable or good rating in this evaluation for Top Safety Pick Plus recognition. This change aims to encourage advancements in rear seat safety features. IIHS President David Harkey emphasized that this year's winners are true standouts, offering the highest level of protection for both vehicle occupants and other vulnerable road users.
Today we are releasing our initial list of Top Safety Pick winners for 2024. We had 71 winners that qualified for an award. 22 of those earned our Top Safety Pick Plus award. 49 received our Top Safety Pick award. When you purchase a Top Safety Pick vehicle, you can be assured you're getting a vehicle that offers the best when it comes to protecting occupants if you are in a crash. You are also getting a vehicle that offers the best in vehicle technology to help prevent a crash, whether that be headlights or automatic emergency braking systems that can keep you out of a collision with another vehicle or a pedestrian. We raised the bar last year with a tougher side crash test, and most automakers have responded. This year we raised the bar again with an updated frontal crash test that is focused on rear occupant protection. We also changed the requirements for nighttime pedestrian front crash prevention systems. To receive our highest award of TSP Plus, a vehicle must now achieve a good or acceptable rating in our updated moderate overlap test, which includes an evaluation of the protection for not only the driver, but also the rear passenger. The updated moderate overlap test is designed to get automakers to focus on improving safety for passengers in the rear seat. We developed this test after research showed there was a higher risk of fatal injury for belted occupants in the rear seat over those in the front seat. Both awards require front crash prevention systems that are effective for pedestrians both during the day and at night. It is important for automakers to continue to improve these systems and put them in more models, as we are at a 40-year high in this country with regards to pedestrian fatalities. The automakers leading the pack this year are Hyundai Motor Group, which includes the brands of Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis, Mazda, and Toyota Motor Corporation. Hyundai Motor Group had 6 TSP Plus winners, and Mazda had 5 TSP Plus winners. The great news for consumers is that there are award winners in almost every vehicle class, from small cars to large pickups, from small SUVs to minivans. Depending on your personal transportation need, there are a variety of vehicles for you to choose from, including several electric and hybrid models. Having a vehicle with technology to prevent a crash or having a vehicle with good protection to prevent injury if you are involved in a crash is extremely important. However, it is our behaviors on the roadway that are our biggest challenge when it comes to roadway safety. So remember, don't speed, don't drive while impaired, put that cell phone out of reach, and buckle up. The seatbelt is still the most important safety device you have in the vehicle.
Leading the pack in 2024 awards is Hyundai Motor Group, with 6 Top Safety Pick Plus and 10 Top Safety Pick awards. Toyota Motor Corp follows closely, securing 1 Top Safety Pick Plus and 12 Top Safety Pick awards. Interestingly, the dominance of SUVs is evident in the awards. Small SUVs, mid-size SUVs, and mid-size luxury SUVs each claim 5 Top Safety Pick Plus awards, reflecting the popularity of these vehicles in the US market. The changes aim to push automakers to pursue higher levels of safety, following the successful implementation of the original moderate overlap front test in 1995. The IIHS now challenges automakers to address safety gaps in the back seat, introducing a second dummy to emphasize rear seat safety. As we move towards a future with advanced safety technology, the IIHS believes that collectively, automakers, policymakers, and drivers can contribute to protecting everyone on the road. Stay tuned for more updates on automotive safety right here on Automoto Network.